In this video, we are going to learn how to do a point deformation for any model. So we already created a model, so I'll just show you the sketch what I did it here. So we have created one random spline sketch here, exit, and then we have extruded this with some height of 10. After that, we have just made a cut by the same way. We made a spline over that face and we have cutted that area. Now next, after that, we have created one point over this, so we just taken a point command and we added a point. Now we'll search the command, we'll press S, we'll type here deform, enter. Now we'll select that point from where we have to do deform. Here we can define the distance of deform, like I'll take here 40 distance I want to take, and I'm defining this something to 150. Then you can define basically how you want to deform that, like shapes are there, shapes control you can take from here, and shape accuracy you can control and do OK. So this is how my model has been deformed about the shape. So this is how we can use a deform tool. So if you like this video, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.